using fractions is very, it is a complex topic for kids. You guys know why? Addition with fractions is difficult. There's a reason. Multiplication and division with fractions, easy. I can do that all day. Addition and subtraction, very difficult, right? You have to find a common denominator and work through it, and we really need to give the kids an idea of what the fractions are, or what they represent in the first place. So this particular lesson can be differentiated in many, many, many ways. Just what you have in front of you, what I have the students do right now, what I want you to do is from left to right, from your left to your right, order these fractions from, how do we want to order them? Least to greatest. So from smallest to largest, from your left to your right. Order them from least to greatest. So which of the fractions is actually the smallest? 1/8 is the smallest. So 1/8 is actually smaller than 1/4. And all of these, 1/8, 1/4, and 1/2, are all smaller than 1 because they are proper fractions. Do you remember what a proper fraction is? We're going to do this next week.
The top isn't bigger than the bottom.
Right. A proper fraction is one where the top is actually smaller than the bottom. The numerator is smaller than the denominator. Okay? So we've got them ordered from left to right, smallest to greatest. Good. Now, I want to show you addition using a manipulative like this. And by the way, they sell these in bigger packets, so all of the fractions are represented. What I want you to do right now, take the red sheet, that's going to be the mat, if you will, that'll be the base, the bottom, and I want you to take two of the 1/2s, your two 1/2s, and place it on that red sheet so it completely covers it up. Good. And because it completely covers it up exactly, there's nothing sticking out, that means that 1/2 plus 1/2 is equal to, what's it equal to? 1. That's exactly what that means. Good. Let's try another one before I have you do an example. Take out the 1/4 and use it as a mat. Use 1/4 as a mat. 1/4 is on the bottom, not with the 1. Go ahead and put the mat away. Use the 1/4 as a mat. Now, what could we put on the 1/4 to cover it up?
1/8.
Yes, you could put a 1/8 on there, but it looks like it takes more than 1. So what problem would I write on the board?
1/8 plus 1/8 equals 1/4.
Equals
1/4.
1/4, yeah. So that means that they're equal, and they should fit exactly. Good? Now you can use anything as a mat, and you can change up, you can use several of these, and create an addition problem of your own. So in your group, what I want you to do is come up with an addition problem that hopefully nobody else has, and we're going to write it on the board. So in your group, come up with an addition problem using these. Everybody in the group must show me, must prove that the addition problem is correct.
Well, I like what Jason did. It's 2. Half is, okay. 4 1/8 together a little bit.
Good. Okay. This group, this one right there is on the board. Go to the board. One person go to the board, and they can yell out the answers to you, what they want you to write. This group.
I don't care. You want to do it?
You can write it here, or we can put mine, or someone else. Oh, either one.
1/2 plus 1/4
Somebody from here. Okay, let's see these. This is the one that we worked through, or these two are the ones that we worked through together. Who has this one right here? Go ahead and stand up. Whole crew stand up if you've got this one. And point to the mat that shows this. So I want to prove this. Can everybody in every other group see this? They have a 1/2 card, plus a 1/4, plus a 1/4, and it is completely covering up on underneath of it. What is it completely covering up? These guys know. What is it covering up? A 1. Absolutely. So that makes this problem correct. Good job. Next, who has this one? 1/4 and 1/4. Right here. Go ahead and stand up. You see where it's at? Can everybody see their cards? Look at their cards. That's important. So they have 1/4 and 1/4, and they've got it all on top of 1/2. Good. This is proof. Proofs come in handy. We do them a lot in mathematics. Oh, look this one. Do you have a card that says 2/8? No. Where'd that come from?
We added
What is that? Oh, you added them. So it's 2 1/8.
Yes.
And that's 2/8. And that is a valid way to write that. So you have, let's see, you guys stand up so we know where to look. Look over here. You have a 1/4 card.
Covering 2 1/8.
And 2 1/8, and that equals, completely covers up the 1/2 card. Good. How about this one?